This video is for surviving the initial assignment. I will show what is my project and I will show you what is my code. So this is account number. This is a PIN for this account. We will see this is saving account. Saving account is a type of bank account. I also have another bank account. It's called a current account. Current account will have two more operations, and saving account also only have three operations. Now I will show you what is deposit operation and what is check balance and what is transaction. Before the deposit we check the balance, now it's 3,000, and look at transaction, it only have 3 records. Now click deposit, and I input the amount for deposit like 500, and then select the bank. So for here it's Cable Street Bank, confirm, and then we'll go back to check the balance. Now it's 3,500, and then we go back to see the transaction. We find here to add a new record for the transaction. The amount is 500, the type is the deposit, and the bank name is Cable Street. So account number is this account. So transaction is store the deposit operations and withdrawal operation and the transfer operations in the database. Check balance is to see the balance for this account is deposit for the deposit money into your account. That's all. And we'll go back log in to see another account. Now I input another account number and the PIN. So this is current account. We can see we have two new operations. One is withdrawal and one is transaction. We check the balance for this account is 5,000, and then we click withdraw. Like we withdraw 1,000 in the Connor Street Bank. Confirm. Now go back to balance. Now balance is just 4,000. We go back to see the transaction. You see they have the 1,000 amount withdraw from the Connor Street and save in the new record in the transaction. And transfer money is to transfer money. We can input the amount for the transfer the money you want. We click transfer and we input the money 500 and input the transfer account 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and it's in account 3. Confirm. Back transaction, and we see here for the record for the account 3 500 and it's a transfer type, so it's a transfer, so the type is D, and then transfer to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 this account. Go back and we check the balance, find the balance minus 500 now. For back login, it's just to let you just go back to a login screen. So if you log in and then you click back to login, and you will go back to login HTML, and then you can log in a new account. For here is the JSP file and HTML file is for the different pages we will use in the project. The arrow and the files is for the arrow page, and the file which is if we input this non-valuable, and then we will just return go into the file array page. The account, the bank, and the transaction and the users for those code is for store information, and the command is each command I will do in the project. So I now create in here. The DAO account DAO it's intense the basic DAO. For here I just connect to the database, and the account DAO is doing some we want to select some information from database with through the account DAO. And the list is also same, but it's list of transaction DAO, so it's to take some information for the transaction tables in the database. The expressions is just through the expressions for code. For service, it is I read some methods for the different use in the project. For example, it's account users. So this is account service. So here is login method to check a user login, and then and here is the update. It's going to update just amount for to update amount in the database for the account. So that's all. Thanks for your watching.